Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I show you how to download and install Windows 11 without USB and without CD. With this method you can install on supported and unsupported hardware. Right click on Start, Disk Management, Action, Create VHD, Browse, find C drive, this PC, C drive. Right click here, create a new folder. Right here VHD, it means virtual hard disk, it is capital letter. Open this folder. On file name write VHD, save. Virtual hard disk size, choose GB. Right here 10 gig or 12 gig, it means 12 GB or 10 GB. 10 gig is enough. Click on OK. On disk, and now right click here, initialize disk. Click on OK. Here is 9.98 GB. Right click here, new sample volume. Next, next, next. Volume label right here VUSB, it means virtual USB. Next, finish. Close it. File Explorer, this PC. Here we create one VUSB drive. Open your browser, any browser you want. On the search bar type here Rufus, hit enter. Open this first link. Scroll down, it is Rufus software. With this software you can download Windows 11 image. Download Rufus 4.5.exe, it is a standard one. Close. Open Rufus or click on File Explorer. Download, double click on Rufus, click on yes. Click in this drop down. If you don't have this drop down, use VPN. Click on download. Click on download. Click in this drop down, select your Windows. If you want to download Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you want to download Windows 11, choose Windows 11. Continue. Select your edition. Continue. Select your language. I want to select English International. Continue. Architecture 64-bit. OK. Download. Select your download folder. I want to download on desktop. Save. Downloading is start. After a while you will have Windows 11 image. When it is finished, click on close. When you download Windows 11, again open File Explorer, download, double click on Rufus, yes. Before we create this VUSB drive, it is selected by vendor. Click on select, find this Windows ISO, it is on desktop for me. Select, open, click on start. Make sure to select all of them. If you get this error, don't worry, okay. It will take a while. When it is finished, click on close. Open File Explorer. this PC. Open this drive you create before. The name will change for you, no problem. Open this drive. Double click on setup. Yes. Windows setup is on the taskbar. Open. Next. Checking for update. Wait a few moments. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Accept. Make sure you are ready to install. Make sure your PC has enough space. Check what to keep. I recommend to select keep personal files and apps. Next. Again, this may take a few minutes. Ready to install. Install. Your PC will restart several times. This may take a while. Now we install Windows 11 without USB and without losing any data. If you have any questions, put down on the comment section below. Have a good time.